Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1984 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. Of course, you know a lot of Land Cruisers have come and gone through Skyway Classics just because of their popularity and most desire. In fact, driving this thing for so long has actually made me come attached to it. But it's going into the one we have here, featuring a very unique brown exterior. Of course, you can see it is a four-door running on some very nice white wheels to really remember that it is an off-road vehicle, but also a driver vehicle as well. Moving on even to the back, you can see you have a lot more room being a four-door, spare tire in the back, even the compartment through the back where you and your passengers can come through to fit more than just 4 people, maybe even 10. As we move on to the inside, you can see we have a matching brown interior, having some custom-made seats and custom-made console. If you look very closely there, it is an automatic on the floor. Having your power windows invested, I believe that is your control for the off-road, even a touchscreen Pioneer radio with the AC controls as well. Still keeping some original features such as its steering wheel with working horn, protective cover plate to make sure your dirt doesn't destroy or preserve, keeping preserved the nice low wheel. Even the cluster you can see has been very well modified to make it through today's modernized time. But even so, a lot of vehicles like this are really hard to come by, being underneath the hood, featuring a very nice V6 engine. Even the way driving it through the basic little roads, twist and turn, it still drives as it could. In fact, we can even give you a little bit of a brake test now to show you how good the brakes are. Very good. Even takeoff speed is pretty gentle. Only reading 43, it might be 43 or 437 miles from the odometer, but of course being replaced, most vehicles are exempt at this age. But of course, taking a look at it, almost as good as a Bronco. In fact, maybe even better than a Bronco, since the Bronco couldn't offer you enough room as much as this Land Cruiser does. But of course, it is a very nice vehicle. Of course, in the write-up, you will see a lot more information than what I'm telling you on video. But of course, as for now, it is time to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.